Hey XL Roofing crew, we're here at my 44 square job out in Lone Tree. We're changing to a summer harvest multicolor orange Corning duration flex. This is their previous roof. It was a teak color in the Owens Corning. Here we have the 4-inch offset of the new shingles and then the dried in. What we do right here is we put in what we call cap nails. They're gonna look like these. And what the guys do is they use a magnetic hatchet right here, so you clip it on easy. And it's super simple. 1, 2. And then yeah, so that's what we call dried in. So that's can withstand freezing and cold temperatures, water. And then if you go pan behind you, that's what it would look like for the bare decking before that synthetic underlayment. And this is the example of what we use for synthetic underlayment. It's gonna be that Rhino roofing. I know you heard all about that felt in the past. Well, this is that newer technology, safer, lighter weight, quicker to install.